many, many years, there have been two clans of ninja warriors, the Cocks and the Penguins. Their battle continues.
I am so hungry. I haven't eaten since I found that half-eaten Twinkie in that dumpster.
Well, the Mandarin Walk is right ahead, just a few more paces. I can smell the sushi.
I don't smell sushi, but I do smell sushi food and the rest of those cocks.
Ha ha ha, you pathetic penguin worshippers. You worship a bird that has no use. We, however, have the sacred cock. Sushi Fu, the cock.
Ha 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 ha! Behold the cock! Ha ha ha!
It is not fair that you sit there and mock us.
They're just a bunch of cock teasers.
What would I give to just grip it in my hand and feel the smoothness of its texture?
Those dirty ninjas, they have everything. A cock, a car, authentic ninja costumes, and all we have is that darn penguin.
Yeah. Guys, can we discuss this later? Largo Sumo is really hungry.
Largo, can't you see? Not only do they have all the luxuries that Tatsu has mentioned, but they have also beaten us to their drive to at the Mandarin Walk.
Well, ladies, it's been nice talking to you, but we have more important ninja things to do. Bye.
That's it! I cannot take it anymore! We must do something about those cock-worshipping ninjas!
Yes, but what?
I am not sure. We will discuss it back at the dojo.
Do you mean the basement we are renting?
Thirteenadu, silence! Let us make haste.
Largo Sumo says, what about the food?
Oh, we can order pizza.
What kind of ninjas eat pizza?
Haven't you ever heard of the Ninja Turtles? Let us go!
The Cock's Dojo.
Those penguins are the saddest bunch of ninja wannabes that I've ever seen.
That is right, Hiroko.
All they have to go home to is a penguin. And look at us, we have this fine cock to crowd around.
Hear, hear!
Does this mean we have to hate penguin suits too?
No, you idiot! Those are only tuxedos.
Oh yeah, that makes perfect sense.
Bah! I wonder if you are fit to worship something as great as the cock. Anyhow, gentlemen, it's getting late, so I think I'll polish the cock and then go to bed.
And why do you always get to polish the cock, huh?
Yeah! Now, fellas, we can all polish the cock together. There's plenty of cock to go around.
Oh, yeah. Let's go, guys. Meanwhile, at the Penguin's basement...
Tatsu, will you come here for a minute? I have something to tell you.
What is it?
Well, it's just that...
Well, what is it?
May I ask you a question?
Yes.
Why do we hate the cocks so?
Oh, we've been over this before. We hate them because they actually have something good to worship. Cocks are actually good for something. They're always up in the morning before everyone else to send a wake-up call.
Well, what's wrong with penguins?
Oh, penguins are worthless. All they do is waddle around and eat. Like Largo, for example. If only we had a cock.
Well...
What is it? Spit it out. You what?
I have had a cock all along.
What?
Why haven't you shared this with us before? Well, it's the smallest cock I've ever seen, and I was kind of embarrassed. Well, I don't care. I want to see it. Are you sure? You heard me. Come on now. Out with it. Very well. Oh, magnificent. You dare withhold your cock from us?
then deny me from touching it?
I'm sorry. I shall place it on this stool until we have a proper pedestal.
Come in, my fellow former penguins. What's that you say, former penguins? That's right. Bruto has revealed his secret to me. We are now the small cock.
That's great news.
No. My dog.
Where is it? You sat on it and now it's gone. My cock is stuck in your...
Largo Sumo, sorry.
This is too much. You cannot take this having a cock.
Well, we must think of something. It's not like we can just push a button and get a cock. Wait, that gives me an idea. Well, what is it? We will search the internet and find another cock. Brilliant. Searching not to. Maybe we shouldn't do a search for cocks on here. Why not? Well, it may bring back some things we don't want. How do you mean? Well, I mean we need to outdo the cock, so we can't just search for any old cock. We need to find the largest cock in the world. Ah, yes. Okay, cocks, cocks, and more cocks. No! Big black cocks. No, we just want a normal one. Ah, here, the largest cock on the net. Yes! What? Perhaps the internet isn't the best source for cock. How about we just go steal the cock? Let's go.
I'll move in here.
Later that day... Y'all ready? Let's go!
There, to the cock dojo.
Something that'll make you shout, make you break to the crowd, and make you wanna turn it out. So honeys gather round. I'll pick you up, take you on, go pound for pound. Cause I'm the only man who'll please ya. I got a little something that'll feed ya. So throw those hands up high. Shake your body, move from side to side. Cause we just begun, party people in the place, yeah, we're having fun. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be a big star. I'm gonna lay it on and go, move on. Cause when the mood gets excited, when everybody's kung fu fighting. You stay here. I'll go inside and get the cock.
All right.
Sing it, girl.
Ha! Defeated again. Maybe it will get us next time, friend.
That's right, like sorry, no cold flow. Right. A kung fu fighter in a disco. He's out to take it.
Someone has lifted our cock.
Oh, I've triggered something on the cock. They're coming!
That guy has our cock.
Hey, he's pulling out! He must have proper protection.
After him! Ah!